The camera opens on a dark urban rooftop, city lights blurred in the background. The 2026 Karizma XMR 250 Beast White slowly emerges from the shadows, LED headlights cutting through the darkness like predator eyes. The engine growls softly, building tension as the bike dominates the frame. It rolls forward on wet asphalt, reflections of neon city lights dancing across the glossy white fairings, while red and black accents flash aggressively. Every curve and edge of the bodywork catches the light, showcasing a super powerful street bike built to command every corner. Every road dot the camera shifts to a perfect frontal shot as the headlights blaze intensely. The growl of the engine rises, vibrations felt through the frame, capturing the essence of a beast mode charisma. Macro shots reveal the engine's precision, metallic textures, and red-accented components, emphasizing extreme performance and high adrenaline energy. On an open highway at sunrise, the bike accelerates with controlled fury. The camera follows from a drone angle, 3/4 rear, showing motion blur as the tires kick up mist, leaning into corners with grace and precision. Every movement highlights the high-performance charisma to 502026, transforming every street into a display of dominance and power. Slow-motion shots capture aggressive cornering, suspension, flexing, and red accents streaking past as the bike hugs the curves. First-person POV from the rider shows gear shifts, tachometer sweeps, and the raw roar of the engine, merging rider and machine into one force. As the bike rides toward the horizon, the golden hour sunlight glints off the white and red exhaust ticking, light smoke curling from the tires. The 2026 Karizma XMR 250 Beast White stands still for a moment, an unstoppable street beast that embodies speed, power, and precision. The cinematic